Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on your BMW X5 key. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership. First, you will need a few basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the replacement. Now, let's open up your key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of the fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to pull out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. It's usually a CR2032 3-volt coin cell. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press it down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before you press them together. You should hear a satisfying click as the halves snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its compartment. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors. You should find it working perfectly again, saving you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.